Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. This is Josh Simples, where we do DIYs with simple ingredients. So today we are going to make soap. So we are going to make goat milk soap, and we are going to use goat milk powder. So to begin with, we need to take our precaution. We are going to wear our mask, our gloves, yeah. So we are going to weigh our water so that we can make our lye solution. So I am weighing my water. Yeah, and then after I'm done, I'm going to put that one aside, and then I'm going to weigh my sodium hydroxide. So this is sodium hydroxide stroke lye. So this is lye, or you can call it sodium hydroxide. So I'm going to weigh that. And then after I'm done, I am going to put this aside, and I'm going to start weighing my oils. So I'm going to start weighing my oils. I'm going to start with my solid oils. So for the solid oils, I'm using my butter. I'm using shea butter, cocoa butter, and I'm also using coconut oil. So I'm going to start weighing that. Yes, so yeah, after I'm done, I'm going to weigh my other carrier oil. So for the carrier oil, you can use for the carrier liquid oils, you can use olive oil, you can use sunflower oil, you can use canola oil. Yeah, make sure you run all these oil into a soap calculator so you get the exact measurement. So these are my solid oils and butter. So I'm going to put that one aside and start with my liquid oil. So I'm going to add my liquid oil. I'm using sunflower oil. So as I said, you can use any other carrier oil. You can use olive oil, especially olive oil is very good for the soap making. So you can use olive oil. So you can also use canola oil if you don't have olive oil. So now I'm going to make my lye solution. So it's just putting lye into the water. So never do it the other way around. So just always put your lye into the water. So and then mix it until it is all dissolved. And the way you know it is dissolved is until when the water is clear. So it will give you a clear result. So that's when you know the lye solution is ready. So now my lye solution is ready. So now I am going to do heat transfer method. So this heat transfer method, it's whereby you put your lye solution into your solid oils and butters. So that's what I'm going to do. I am going to put my lye solution into my butter so that it can melt my butters, because the lye solution, once you mix the lye with the water, it becomes very hot. So this one is very hot to melt the hard oils and butter. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you're not comfortable with this one, you can always melt your butter using your oils, your hard oils and butter, using double boiler method. So but for me today, I'm using this heat transfer method. So if you're a beginner, just use a double boiler method. So I'm using this heat transfer method. So I'm gonna let that sit and melt. So I'm going now to mix my goat milk with my liquid oil. So I'm going to use like 2 tablespoons of my goat milk powder. I'm going to mix it with my liquid oil. Make sure you mix it very well. If you have a stick blender, it's the best one for this kind of mixing, because it's going to mix everything together, but I didn't have this one, but I made sure I mixed it well. Yeah, so mix it very well. It will take a while because before it is all mixed, but make sure you mix it well, because if you don't mix it well, all the powder will sit down, will be at the bottom, and your oils will be, so you not get that mixture solution together, so you'll not be able to get the results. Yeah, so make sure you mix it very well. So yeah, after that, after I'm finished mixing my goat milk and oil, I'm going to go and check my hard oils, and I see they have all melted. So yeah, my butters and my hard oil has already melted. Yeah, so I'm going to put my my goat milk powder solution, and I'm going to pour it into my melted butters and oil, and then I'm going to start mixing. Yeah, it's that simple. It is that simple. Yeah, so I'm going to start mixing that. Yeah, I'm going to mix it until I get into a trace. A trace meaning when your butter it is a little bit thick. Yeah, so yeah, mix it. You can use this kitchen mixer, you can use a stick blender. Yeah, just use whatever you have. So I have this kitchen mixer, so I'm going to mix this solution, all the soap, all the oils together and the goat milk together. I'm going to mix and mix and mix. Like this one took me like 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, so yeah, and after that I'm done. I'm going to pour this one into a, so I'm not going to wait for it to be so thick. I'm going to pour it when it is at a medium tray. So this is, I already poured it into my mold. So as you can see, it's a bit runny, meaning it is at a medium trace. I didn't wait for it to be thick. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And then after 24 hours, I came back to unmold my soap, and as you can see, yeah, so it's time to unmold. As you can see, it turned out very well. So yeah, you can wait to up to 48 hours, but I choose to wait up to 24 hours. Yeah, so yeah, this is my soap. It's ready. Yeah, it looks very nice. It turned out very okay. Yeah, so yeah, before we are going to wait for 4 to 6 weeks before you can use the soap for it to cure. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share. So see you until the next video. Bye.